9 plus 3 is 12. And then 2 times 12 is 24. And 48 divided by 24, it's an easy 2. A lot of students would proudly say, oh, that's 2. I found the answer very easily. Unfortunately, come on, that's not the answer. You fell for a very, very common trap, which is called the sequence or order of operations. So what you did wrong is that you didn't follow the order properly. So what the hell is this order? So the order, according to conventions, it's something called PEMDAS. It doesn't mean anything. I mean, this is just an acronym. So what does PEMDAS stand for? P in PEMDAS stands for parentheses. E stands for exponents. M stands for multiplication. D stands for division, and A, you name it, stands for addition. S stands for subtraction. And this is a vector of precedence or priority. So from top to the bottom, they have the highest and the lowest priority. It means that whenever you see an order of operations, if you see go for parentheses and check always if there is any parentheses inside. If there isn't any parentheses, do the parentheses at first. Then when you got rid of the parentheses, go for exponents, if there is an exponents. Then go for multiplication and division. But keep in mind that they have the same priority. So none of them has a higher priority than the other one, basically. But you should go from left to right. First come, first serve. So whichever you see at first, do that. If it is division, do division at first. If it is multiplication, do multiplication at first, from left to right. Now, with this in mind, let's go for revisiting and solving our original problem again. So do we have any parentheses in our original problem? Yes, we do. Let's get rid of the parentheses. So we don't care about the first part. So let's write the first part again, 48 divided by 2. And what's inside the parentheses? 9 plus 3. So now we can write it as times 9 plus 3 is 12. Now we have this classic multiplication division, but some students again fall for this trap, hook, sinker, and line, and they say, okay, maybe 2 times 12 is 24, and then do this at first, but this would be wrong. So we should go from left to right. 48 divided by 2, 24 times 12. And now, so 24 times 12 is 288. And that's the final answer according to PEMDAS, and that's the only correct answer. But now, your mission, should you choose to accept it, is what would the answer be if let's say here it was inside a bracket. So 2 times open parentheses 9 plus 3 close parentheses, everything was inside a bracket. So what would the answer be? And where does bracket stay or stand inside this PEMDAS? So in PEMDAS we don't have any brackets. So how would you deal with brackets? Make sure to drop your thoughts and answers in the comments below, and please like the video and subscribe to the channel to support me if you haven't already. See you next time.